So, what is the builder design pattern? The builder design pattern is a creational design pattern used to create complex objects step by step. It allows you to construct an object with many optional parts without using a large constructor with many parameters, which is one of the cool things about the builder design pattern. So here we have our builder design pattern example, which is the phone class. So we will be, this is the first layer of our example, so we will be using the builder design pattern to actually build up our phone class, our phone object, my bad. We'll be using the builder design pattern to actually build a phone object. Let's go on to the next slide. Perfect. Now this is our phone builder class. This class have functionalities that utilize the builder design pattern to actually build our phone object up. So after we've changed the set, like setting the brand, setting the storage, and setting the camera up, right at the end we will be required to use the build method right at the bottom. That build method at the bottom is responsible for actually constructing our phone object. We won't have to add a new phone object and then pass in a whole lot of params. We can easily just build our phone object up using the builder design pattern. Let's go to the next slide. Here we have our main class and our main static method, and we have our phone reference that equals to the phone builder class. The phone builder class utilizes the builder design pattern. That's why you see we have the .set brand and .set storage, .set camera. We can have this we can have the sets in a chain format, and then right at the end we have a .build. We have a .build. The .build is the method that's responsible for actually setting our phone object what the values that we've passed in our phone builder object through the sets. Right below we have the phone.show. We trying to invoke the show phone method, which should print out brand and the brand that we've passed in, and the storage value that we've passed in, and the camera megapixels value that we've passed in. So this is our builder design pattern. So let me go back to show you guys the show phone method, what it have. We're just printing out the attributes in a proper way. That's why, let me go back, the expected results are as they shown here when we try to invoke the show phone method. Next we'll be coding this example. And when we code stuff, things start to make a whole lot of sense. Now let's code our builder method design pattern that was shown at the slide. Hopefully now it could make a whole lot of sense when you code it. Okay, let's say phone class. Perfect. Let's string brand name private and storage phone string brand name and storage and camera. Camera can say public found show found brand okay. This is just a method um, so, and so so this show phone method is the method responsible for actually it's just a verification method that I want us to invoke at the end so that we can actually see that our phone object have been successfully constructed. And then now let's go to our main guy, our phone builder. Phone builder class that's responsible for us that's using the builder pattern to help us build our phone object up. And we say set brand and phone builder return this, and then set camera phone builder return itself again. Set storage, then return itself and builder. And then at the end we say public phone build, the method that's gonna help us out in building our phone object. Okay, let's say brand name. Okay, let's look at the elements. Okay, storage and camera. Yeah, let's look at that. Perfect. Now we have our phone builder. This is our phone builder class. It's making use of the builder design pattern in helping us construct a phone object. Yeah. So let's go to our main class and try to test this out. See if you can actually build a phone. So equal to new phone builder dot set name. Okay, let me say me say LG can and say set camera, send 20 and set storage and say 100. Okay, and then dot build to build our object, and phone dot show phone. Let's see if like our phone is successfully constructed. Let's verify. Ah, lovely. The brand is LG. The camera 20 megapixels. Storage is 100 gigabyte. Yeah. So yeah, the phone object is quite small and it has fewer variables, but the builder pattern becomes quite useful for objects that take in large variables, and for objects that are versatile, where you can actually where there could easily be cases where you wouldn't want to set certain variables. Previously you would just have to add your new phone object and just pass in your parameters at the constructor, but when you're dealing with a object that contains a whole lot of attributes, yeah, it becomes quite messy, and yeah, it's quite hard to keep track of if you've set this value and if you didn't. The builder pattern also allows you to see the appropriate attributes that you've set. Yeah, it's very nice, cool design pattern. Yeah, one of my favorites. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it on the builder method design pattern. Yeah, thanks for staying with me up until the end.